Hi, stacking choose your PhD topic. Don't worry, you are not alone. You are not alone. The wrong choice can make your life miserable for a year, but the right one can fill your passions, career, and impact. Today, I will break down exactly how to choose your research topic that cite your and set up for success. Hi, I am Dr. Tapan Kumar Sankar. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Simple Concept. Today, I share tips to make your academic journey matters, which are very smoother, smarter, and more productive. If you are about to start your PhD or already struggling with narrowing down a research idea, keep watching. This video is for you because when you choose the topic, it is very important part of your research curriculum. If your topic is good, you are realizing that you're interested creating towards your research area. So there are basically 5 points. So in this video I tell you 5 tips how to choose your research topic. Till watching the end of the video. If you are completely watch this video, you are definitely understand how to choose a research topic. So today's topic is how to choose a research topic, your guide to starting strong. So first step one is that start with your curiosity. So choose what excite you, whatever may be. First step is the very confidential step because it set your tone. So you because in PhD you will spend 3 to 7 years on this topic, so genuine interest is very essential for you. And second one, passion sustain motivations. So whatever you choose, first your interest create on that and that topic, and when experimental fails or papers get rejected, curiosity keeps going on. You are stay with your decision. Then connect curiosity with the purpose. Pick up a topic where you are interested, overlap with a real world or academic need. Next one, ask your questions like you will ask your question yourself like what problem in my field I I really care about it? Which research paper excite me the most? And if I had ultimate time and resources, what could I start? Then balance curiosity with feasibility. It is matter. Passions matters, but check it is realistic with your available resources. And last one is explore broadly before narrowing down. Read books, articles, attend a seminar, either it is online or offline. Attending is very important for you, especially related to your topic. So these are the step one. Step two, check the research gap. How can you check your research gap? First, you read the paper, read the paper, and complete your literature review. You read recent journal, focus on the last 5 year journals, and you thoroughly read good journal, standard journal, where impact factor is high. You read conference paper. So when you read this suggested journal like 5 year backs journal means latest up to 5 year journals, and then review articles related to your uh, topic, then conference paper. So you will definitely understand the identify what missings because the previous papers writers or authors maybe some point is missing their research. So if you read continuously, you are able to understand what is missing in the previous paper. How can I put my idea in that paper? Then use tool and database. Research database like Google Scholar, you have to use Scopus or Web of Science paper. You can collect the review paper, or you can collect the data from reputed journal. Then use proper citations, analytical, to track how to often a topic is discussed. Then refine into a researchable problem, convert the gap into a specific table research questions. A good research gap should be original, relevant, and feasible. So these 4 points are very important when you check the research gap. First, you have to read the literature review, identify the missing gap, and use the tool and database from the your research paper, and then refine into a researchable problem. Now, step three: think about resources and facilities. These are the very important because uh, when we start something, before starting something, it is better to think about that scenario, whether I am capable or not, whether I have resources or not, because it is very important. You are struggle when you don't have any facilities or any resources regarding your research, because when you choose some topic, okay, and literature review is easily done because so many papers is online, some are open access, and some you are in some paper from any other pirated sites or somewhere. But when you work start on that field, it's matter, because you have to know because what is your resources and what is your feasibilities. So there are some point you have to check out when you start your research, like check research facilities on tool, whatever you have, instrument and any lab equipment or any software you have already, that or not, because when you start it, these are require your research work. Then access data availability, check whether it's required data you have accessible or not. Will you need or collect it? Consider whether ethical approval, surveys, or field work are realistic when your lifetime frame. So, third one is funding and cost. Definitely, the funding is one of the important part of our research. Uh, basically, you don't need the funding for the research if you are doing research from the good institute of India like IITs, ISR, and some central universities, because NITs also, because they have a different type of project and different type of instrument is there. But if suppose you are doing your PhD from the state university or some private universities, it is very important to you have or your guide have some funding or some cost to analyze your work. Then skill and expertise, you have to check whether I am suitable for this work or not, because skill is matter. If you are starting your work, you require your skill and you require your expertise, and if you don't have, then you work hard on your skill and and ask question from your seniors and others who are working on that simple and the same topic. Then these are the important points you are thinking about your research and feasibility. And then align with your supervisor, especially supervisor's role is very high in our research field. So there are some three important points, maybe lots of point is there, but these three important are major important points in your uh, research work. First one, match your topic with their expertise, right? When you choose your research work and you choose your guide, first you have to know my idea and my work are reliable to my supervisor or not, because if your supervisor is same background, then it is very easy to conduct your work. It is simple way. If you are choosing a new topic and your supervisor is don't aware of that topic, that is little bit of some misconceptions and some trouble you have already faces during your research work. So basically you have to choose whether your topic is reliable with your supervisor or familiar with your supervisor or not. Third one, leverage their network and resources. Suppose you are choosing your topic and that topic is matched with your supervisor, and second thing you are uh, point out that your supervisor have some type of network on resources on that topic, because it will be very helpful. Suppose some supervisor, your supervisor working on this and collaborate to the different universities or different central universities or any institution. So it is easy to analyze your data from that institute. So it is very important to your leverage their network and resources. And third one, ensure clear communication and interest. Yes, discuss your idea openly with your supervisor, and try to convince that your supervisor that I am capable to doing this work, and you have hard worker that I am do this or I am write some paper or publication regarding this work. So if they have excited about your research, you are more likely to get consistent supports. And because when you convey your supervisor that I am expertise on this field and you have more command of that field, then your supervisor trust to you and you will start in this lab with your supervisor. This is the step 4. And the step 5, career impact. So first of thing, academic career relevance. Ask, will this topic help me publish in a good research paper? Good research paper, that means high impact factor, high CIT scores, SCI journal. So whether you if you have choose that topic and searching that this topic is capable to publish in big journal, then high impact publications are vital if you plan to stay in academia. A well-defined topic increase chance of citations and recognize in your field. Second one is industry and job market. Definitely, when I have complete my, if anyone have complete their PhD, they want to either postdoc or they want to job. So check it whether your topic is after completing your PhD, you are getting some industrial job or any NGO or any kind of industry where you are working with that topic experience. So example, suppose research on renewable energy storage has directly industry demand, making you more employable. Skill you learn, data analysis, AI, lab technique, different thing. You should connect with the real opportunity. Then societal and the global impact. Strong PhD often contributions to solving real problem that like climate change, healthcare, educations, technology, etc. And a topic with visible impacts attract funding collaborations and attentions from outside academia. Then next is the future growth and adaptability. So choose an area that is growing, not on at risk of becoming obsolete. Then example, blockchain, AI in the healthcare, sustainable agriculture growing field. Your topic should be allowed to expand into the post PhD project, that's like postdoc or internship or consultant. So basically, if you follow this point, you are able to choose your research topic. Not only for research topic, you are also choose your guide, which kind of supervisor you have want. Because when you start this means you are point out this point, figure out this point, you are able to understand whether my topic is reliable for me or my supervisor is also reliable for me. So in my point of view, choosing your PhD topic is not about finding the perfect idea, it is about finding the right fit for you. Remember, your research is marathon, not a sprint. So choose a path you are excited to walk. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. I am Dr. Tapan Kumar Sankar, the director of Simple Concept. If my video is helpful for you, please like these videos, subscribe my channels to more update regarding research, and share. Help your friend to study related to this uh, topic. And again, I have earlier published this three type of videos in my channel, that is basic research, how to write a research paper, and then how to publish the paper, Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my videos.